Navigating through Blogery's writing panel, click on the three-dashed menu, click on Login, and fill your credentials. Click on Remember Me if you don't wish to enter your credentials every time you come in. This is the writing panel, and if you can't see the screen, then you go to the dashboard and then you can see it. Further, click on Post, click on Add New Post. You will see the screen. Then you can add the title and the content to your post here. I have one post right here. Let's just copy it and paste it here. You can also very easily type your blog post here. It's just I had it written there. Put the title in the title bar and you're good to go. Sometimes it's a problem to make this double space here to one space. For that, you click on delete, then do shift plus return to change it to single space. I mean the enter. Further, you can change the size of a paragraph. If you want to emphasize, you can change it to medium and the rest of the text stays in small. We also have some advanced features here like the Yoast SEO analysis. So when you go to improve your post with Yoast, then you see your SEO analysis like internal links, key phrase length, meta descriptions. You can just explore them and make your blog even more better. These are some good things in my blog. This actually helps me make my writing skills better. This is an opportunity that Blogery provides to its writers. We also have the readability analysis. So, like the passive voice, subheading distribution, sentence length, sometimes it's too long, sometimes it's too short. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna edit my text according to my SEO analysis. This will help me to write even better and slowly my writing skills will improve. These are some good things, like I've used the transitions well in my write-up and I have used some consecutive sentences. This helps a lot. Further, moving on, then we have the add new tag thing here. Here, if you want to like emphasize on the theme of your blog a little bit more when it comes and gets published, you can just add like a tag. Like for here, I'm adding leader wins. You can also add an excerpt to the text to your blog. So an excerpt is basically when you search something on Google, so you get the link in purple and under that some text is written in black, which is generally the starting of the post that you open. So you can just choose to write your own excerpt. Otherwise, by default, it's the first paragraph of your post. Like if somebody is going to search your post, they're going to read this part and they might get attracted and open it. So it's an opportunity. Further comes the featured image. Don't forget, people do judge books by its cover, so make sure to make your featured image stick. There are two ways to set it. One is you go to select featured image, click on select files and then choose it. But the other thing we can do is to drop the files. So I'm gonna drop a file here. So here I have a featured image already taken in screenshot. I will just drag it and drop it here. That is it. Let me also walk through these options which make your consecutive paragraphs look good. So, like, I just changed the size to medium to show you. I just want to change it to normal, but to do that, you go to this. You go to this bar here. I'm just gonna select it. You go to this bar here, these two lines, and reduce the size. This looks fine to me. Yes. Now I can also add a link if required, but I don't have to. Like, if I want to add a link to this, I can just select it, click on add link, and write the link. So when you click on the word, it opens. Like, I have linked the word smart here. Then here in this paragraph, you also have a few more options, like adding a strike through, changing the language, doing subscript, superscript, highlighting some text. Like, if I want to highlight the word colleagues, I go here, click on highlight, choose a color, and the word gets highlighted. If I want to change it back again, I make this black. We can also change the text to bold, italic, or align it. This button here is about setting the text. So if you want to make it a heading, you go to heading. If you want to make it list, you click on list. You'll have the bullet points there. If you want to add a quote, you can click on quote. Basically, the alignment of the text and the style of the text just reiterates the whole idea again. If you want to add a short code, you can click on code. I mean, the text style changes, but if you want to really add a code in the blog, then also you can use this just to emphasize a little more. You can also add verse, pull quotes. They are just different forms of emphasizing on a specific piece of information in your blog. At the end, just make sure that you have a title in your blog, the main content, which is perfectly aligned and edited. Your Yoast SEO analysis is either yellow or green. You have chosen a specific particular category for your blog, added a tag if you want to, that's optional, and have importantly added a featured image to your blog. If you want to edit it further after some time, you can click on save draft and edit it and later on publish it. But because I'm done writing the blog, so I'm gonna publish it. When I click on publish and submit for review, the team reviews it, edits it, and then finally puts it on the website. I'm gonna submit it for review. Now when I go back to view posts, I have a tab of mine where my blog is there. I can always edit it, move it to trash, and also look at the preview of the blog of how it would look after it gets published. Make sure to hit a like on your own blog. I hope this helps. Happy blogging!